Hey guys, I want to give you guys a quick review of the Spalding basketball system, the 54-inch with the steel frame polycarbonate backboard. It's a beast of a hoop. I'm not going to show you the whole assembly, but some maybe tips and pointers where during the process. It doesn't take that long. Maybe took a couple hours for me and my son. It's an upgrade from the hoop we had. Got it on Walmart for about $3.10. It retails for $3.99. This is it already assembled. I'll show you clips though during assembly what we were doing with it, and the adjustment on it is awesome because it's a knob. And yeah, and then we'll do a quick review of how it functions. Give me a layup of the backboard. So as you guys can see, this hoop is a lot more solid than our old lifestyle one. This one wobbles more. It was a great hoop, it served us great, but you know, it got beat up. It's undersized compared to that guy. Less solid, wobbles more. That's the construction in the back. You know, smaller base. This base is a lot bigger. We're still going to reinforce it probably with a couple sandbags. I hear that, you know, this is not enough for any hoop. This is adjustable here, so it just rotates. And they give you stickers. Once you measure out your distances, you put a sticker here so you know exactly what height you are on. 4-inch, I believe this is 4-inch beam, so heavy duty as opposed to this little thin round one. This adjustable thing always comes apart, and that's why we gotta put a stick in there in the old one. None of that anymore. Now you adjust it within an inch. This is all solid back here. It's a breakaway rim. Looks really cool. Hope this review helps. If you have any questions, feedback, questions about assembly, let me know. One thing I wanted to mention, a lot of people talk about when they put these three pieces together to use grease, as this is really hard to slide on. All you need to do is use that per the directions, have a beam of wood on the front, on the ground, and use the gravity and the pressure of the top one to pound it in. They go 4 inches in, up here and up here, and it's supposed to be solid. If you grease it up, it might go lower than you need it to, which is going to mess up the whole assembly. So yeah, that's the 54-inch polycarbonate hood from Spalding. Thanks for watching. Thought this was helpful for you. That's great, and thank you. Finished product. Stickers installed for the height. 4-foot adjustable.